Today we're launching one of our iconic vehicles, the Santa Fe Hybrid. This is a vehicle that we pride ourselves in because in South Africa, it's the first hybrid car that we're launching. And it's meant for families. It's very sustainable, it's hybrid. But there's one thing that I want to emphasize, it's safety. Safety is non-negotiable. We've had all these features incorporated and also want to make sure that it's good for both terrains, whether it's off-road or on the urban areas. It's all about adventure, but we say adventure needs luxury. So we've sort of had one package to ensure that people love it and they get excited about it.
Hyundai is onto something. When I got in, I think immediately what I felt is smooth driving. It feels premium interior-wise, quite spacious as well. So definitely a family car.
Everything else that they've done with this new look is actually quite welcomed. And now it's giving a bit of more youthful appeal and a more futuristic appeal. I've always associated Hyundais with a bit more middle-aged market. This is a cool car. It's a cool looking car with cool technology, both inside and out.
I think in terms of the front end of the overall design looks a lot more contemporary, a lot more modern. They're subtly trying to bring their H for Hyundai, into the lighting design, which is something unique.
The front for me absolutely takes it. It's giving these, Escalade, these massive trucks that we've seen in the likes of America, etc. So I think a lot of people should like that in South Africa.
The back is certainly retro. It's boxy. You could almost say it's a bit more American in its design. It's big, it's imposing on the road, and it certainly catches a few eyes on that. I like the fact that Hyundai was a bit more daring with the design rather than let's just follow the design trends.
We are the trendsetters. If you recall, in terms of the warranty, we're the first company to introduce a 7-year warranty. So for us, in terms of our R&D, we look at different elements to not only make it about, but also the looks. From a design perspective, we want to make sure that we are cutting edge, remain ahead of our competitors. I mean, it's a beautiful car, if I have to say so.
Ergonomically, it's probably one of the best cars I've launched. Ergonomically, like everything is within reach. You don't have to struggle for anything. So they've knocked it out the park.
So driving impressions, I was pretty surprised that this car doesn't have air suspension. They use some form of fluid-filled bushings to aid in the NVH for the vehicle, and it almost mimics the air suspension to some extent, but there's also a bit more feedback from the road, which was a pretty nice surprise.
From a passenger point of view, the car is really good. 7-seater, proper, USB chargers all over, space galore. But I have to mention just how soft the ride is. I mean, it's sitting on 20 inches, and should you even go down further, maybe go 19 or 18, you're going to get the ride of your life. I mean, I had the backseat experience, almost giving like a captain chair type of vibe. And I think kids or whoever you're pulling in there are going to be very impressed. Proper car.
It drives great. Sounds really cool as well with the whole whizzing sound.
We're used to the, what's African called vorpa, the sound. So with this one, that silence, it sort of like gets you into the mode of relaxation. It's the comfort, the silence, and also the perfect that when you around the different terrains, it's quite balanced.
I was a bit skeptical when they said it's a 1.6 litre and the power outputs look quite minimal, but it actually carries its weight very well on highway driving as well as off-road.
In terms of pricing, I think they have it just right. For 1.2 million rand, I mean, everything right now is 1.2 million rand.
I would drive this every day. I mean, roof rails and everything. And it's a 7-seater with a Bose sound system.
It's an all-rounder, and we're excited about it. We want to say to South Africans out there, go out there, experience the car, and enjoy it.